Alex Murdaugh finally taking the stand in his own defense.
Shockingly taking the stand.
I know.
Shockingly taking the stand.
In the double murder trial. He's been charged with the murder of his wife, Maggie, and his son, Paul. So he took the stand. Now, what you're about to hear is his testimony. This is his attorney who is asking the questions here. But he is sticking by his story, although he is admitting and sort of explaining why he lied about where he was the night that they were killed. We'll see if the jury buys it. Here's what he said.
Mr. Griffin, I didn't shoot my wife or my son anytime, ever. I wasn't thinking clearly. I don't think I was capable of reason. And I lied about being down there. And I'm so sorry that I did. I'm sorry to Mags and Paw. I would never intentionally do anything to hurt either one of them.
But you continued lying after that night, did you not?
But once I lied, I continued to lie, yes, sir.
Why?
You know, oh, what a tangled web we weave. But once I told a lie, I told my family, I had to keep lying.
Look, the reason that he's saying this now is that there is audio of him at this dog kennel on the property right around the time of the murders when he said he wasn't there, and you had multiple witnesses get on the stand and say that's his voice, and at a point, he had to acknowledge that, but he certainly didn't up to that point.
I just know, obviously, the big thing's going to be when prosecutors...
grill him.
So we're waiting to see that. But as he was speaking, I was just wondering, look, Alec, he's an attorney, a very powerful, successful attorney. How does that cut with the jury when it's an attorney? Is he more believable? Is he less believable?
Well, he's had issues.
He's had other issues.
Well, he's had issues with being an attorney too, where he's done things. So look, I don't know. The thing that was really surprising to me was yesterday, his son, the surviving son, took the stand and solidly supported him and was very strong about his support of his father.
That really is the best piece of evidence that he has had, Alex Murdaugh has had, is that his son got up there, and I watched the testimony, and he was compelling. He not only, from a factual point of view, he gave a lot of rationale and explanations for his father's conduct.
Changing his clothes.
The time of day that he was out, it was very common for his father to change his clothes during that time of day, the whole thing. And also, just from a sympathy point of view, there's this one remaining child who needs a father and apparently likes his father. I think it really did play well. But I got to tell you, it is so risky, Harvey, as you know, to ever put a witness on the stand. And it's hard to you have to, if you're in the defense shoes, the only reason to do that is because you think you are losing and losing bad.
Well, there's one other reason,
right?
Jason.
It's a Hail Mary.
There's one other reason, and I think this is the reason that applies. I'm guessing Murdaugh is the one who wanted to take the stand, and he told his lawyers, even if the lawyers said don't do it, I'm doing it.
And I know how to play this.
I really think that's what happened
I'm an attorney.
I really think that's what happened here.
It's possible. Lawyers have a lot of self-confidence in their ability to manipulate a jury.
This is unbelievable.
Hi, my name is Richard, and I'm here from Texas. My point is this: you die with the lie. I think that he didn't make his case any stronger by changing it up or admitting to lying in the first place. He should have just stuck with the story that he had, let his son tell his story, and just ride with it.
Just wait till he gets cross-examined, because this is going to be something.
Yeah.